Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you the Photoshop portrait, that is the dark type effect for the preset. And this preset is for the Photoshop camera raw filter, and here I use two type tones and I given the code over here. You can pick it up and just put in your photographs. So what I have done here, let's see. At first I have done like a preset applying from the camera raw filter. Camera filter is a plugins of the Photoshop. You can download this one and you can use it in your Photoshop version, and if you are the Creative Cloud user, you are getting this one by default. So after that I got these type of things, and I used here like Color Effects Pro 4, the smart filter, and after that I got that. So let's jump into the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. I'm closing it up and going to the file and open. So from here I'll open up the stock photo which I just downloaded from the wallpapersd.com, and I'll provide you that download link in my video description. So this one was the main image. After that, press Ctrl J for the copy of the background layer and go to the filter, camera filter. So if you are the user of the CS version, you have to install it manually, and if you are the user of the CC version, Creative Cloud 15, 16, 17 or 19 version, you are getting this one by default. So those who are want to just download this one, please check out my video description. From here, small menu, go to the load settings options. From here I made a preset that is for you, that is a dark type, dark portrait, and just open it up. So you're getting this type of effects. So here is the assumption to change it out. If you need, you can add the contrast. If you need, you can give the exposure and highlight, every customizable like values. So let's see what values I just used over here and how I got this type of color tone. Here at first, here are 8 panels or 8 tabs, and you are getting first one, that is the basic one, and this one -4 the temperature, and tint -1, -4 for the little bit warmy tone. Here if you go to the right side, you are getting the warm tone. You will go to the just left side, you are getting the cool tone. Then the tint, that is green, started from the green from the left and end in a purple or magenta, that is -1 value. Exposure, that is 0, and contrast +15, highlight -58. Highlight, this one you can use this one according to your photographs. In these photographs I just made it -58 or 85. And whites, that is the 48. Blacks 0%, clarity 90. Don't make it more like that, that is the +52. And vibrance, that is -29. And then tone curve I locked up here, and here I just made it like little bit upper side just because of the matte type effects. And then the green one I just locked it up and add some little bit effects from here, and red like that and blue like that, just locked here and here, and just a little bit upper to get some tone. And then the detail option, sharpening of amount sharpening, that is 21, radius 1, and detail 25, and here noise reduction, luminance, and from here that is 21, and luminance detail, that is 50. Don't make it upper than 50, otherwise it will spoil your photographs. Here hue saturation, I made the saturation rate, that is like 71, and hue luminance -31 and +11. Hue is the color belt, which type of color do you want to provide in your photo. Saturation, how deep will be the color value, and luminance, how light will be the color value. So here I used 2 or 3 types or 3 values. And from here, split toning, highlight color and the shadow color. What will be the highlight color? Highlight color value, that is 62 and the saturation 10, and shadow color, that is 290 and saturation 7. That's good. No lens correction issues over here. And the effects, I made it dehaze -10 and adding some amount of vignetting like that, so that is -3, little bit. And now most important thing, or most important part of the photographs in this photo, color grading. Primary 3 colors, red, green and blue. I made the red color value +53 and saturation made it down, and the green primary +46 and saturation 0, blue primary -23, and then hit the OK button. You'll get the nice effect in your photographs. So if you want to add extra exposure or extra mileage, please just go to the filter, Nik collection and color effects pro. This one is another plugins of the Photoshop. I do love that, and here are lots of preset, actually a bunch of preset, bunch of filters, and you can use that filters free of cost, or that things make your photographs into next level. If you want to get the download link of the Nik collection or color effects pro 4, please check out my video description. So it's loading up and it depends on your PC configuration. Lots of filters and like method over here. From here I'm using the cross processing and choose the perfect one for your image, but in this case I'll use this one, that is L02. Here are the strength, and you can make it like that, or you can adjust the color or other stuffs and hit the OK button. It will take time to load it up and provide you the final output. That is amazing indeed. That's good. And now I'll give the color from here, fill color, that is 50%, and it will make more sense, and it will be more precisely like artistic dark type color in our face and the ambient lights and other stuffs. So hope that you learn a lot from this video and you will get this preset free of cost. Please check out my video description for the stock image and plugins download link and the preset download link as well. So until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Most amazing things are coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you have any kind of question, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.